Ready.
The difference between these two trucks, back in 1928, they only carried 80 gallons of water, and they had a 600 gallon per minute pump, and they pumped water out of cisterns or out of ponds or lakes. That's how they primarily fought fires. Move ahead from 1928 to 1948, this vehicle now carries 500 gallons of water and has a 750 gallon per minute pump, a lot more hose. Just in that 20-year gap, the change in technology was amazing. This truck is much faster, much more capable. This truck open cab, no windshield. The differences are phenomenal between what happened in a 20-year change.